This is the calm before the storm, ladies and gentlemen. This Friday is going to be a very big volatile event, hopefully, to bring cryptos back up. What we can see, ladies and gentlemen, is that the crypto market has been pretty much sitting sideways for the past couple of days. Not only is the crypto market sitting sideways, but we are seeing the stock market actually take a significant dip. There was a pretty big crash today in the stock market and the last couple of days, but cryptos are actually more so going up while stocks are going down. I have a lot to talk about and to reveal to you in this video. If you hold Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, or any single cryptocurrency, this video is for you if you want to understand what is about to happen for the crypto market, because the implications are massive. But before we get into the video, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you join the Patreon, where we are making profitable trades, sometimes multiple trades every single week in the Patreon, where I tell you exactly when I'm buying and selling. You can copy my trades as a professional crypto day trader, so you can be taking advantage of the volatility. It doesn't matter if the market's in a bear market or a bull market, we can still make money. But let's get into the video. If you hold Dogecoin or Shiba Inu, so Shiba Inu has added 250,000 more users despite the crypto bear market in this winter. What we can see is, if you take a look into any metrics in the crypto market, which I show you from time to time, we see the price going down, but the bullish metrics, like we have whales adding more cryptocurrency, more users being added into the overall cryptocurrency market, we're seeing bullish metrics, but the price is going down. And that has a lot to do with our current recession, inflation, interest rates. But some of these things are beginning to change around, and the most important thing that is affecting the crypto market is, of course, inflation. When inflation showing itself to start coming down, which it has been doing the last couple of months, this is going to be somewhat of a catalyst to actually bring cryptocurrencies and the stock market, which cryptocurrencies follow, back up. We are getting CPI next week. Depending on the CPI data, this can really benefit us, and we can actually have a very good Christmas depending on the data that comes out next week. If CPI shows inflation coming down under expectations, there will be a very strong bullish reaction in the crypto market and the stock market. If we get neutral or at expectations or even above, what we have been seeing actually the months prior to last month's CPI, which was bearish information, the crypto market was still pumping. So it's very interesting. But CPI, the whole financial markets are based around the CPI right now because inflation is so high with all the crazy stuff that's happening around the world. But this Friday, there is an event very similar to CPI, PPI, and this is going to be released at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. And depending on this information, it is critical information, can shoot cryptocurrencies up for the weekend. So that will be excited, and there will be volatility in the meanwhile. Dogecoin is up, surprisingly, 57% since the FTX bankruptcy. This is another thing that is keeping the crypto market pushed down. This negative selling pressure because of FTX and all these other exchanges, the fear of them is keeping investors away right now. But the fear of FTX and this crazy crash and all these insolvency issues is beginning to clear up, as I've been mentioning. And when it clears up, when there is some more direction and some more light at the end of the tunnel for investors and institutions, that is when the crypto market is going to take off, and it can literally happen at any second. So things might seem boring right now. Yes, we can head lower and we have these corrections, but guess what? We are at very, very low levels. Despite everything that's happening, we are at very low levels. Yes, we can go lower, but eventually these levels will bounce. These levels will be exceeded, meaning that we will go a lot higher than our current levels, especially over the next couple of months, most likely. Not financial advice, but especially when the next bull run starts, which can happen at any time. The bull run technically doesn't start when things are up 3,000%. The bull run starts when cryptos have reached the lowest point in the crypto market. Now, let me go ahead and show you what's happening on the charts. So first and foremost, the S&P 500 has been in a bullish trend the last couple of weeks, and it's been recovering. Cryptos follow the stock market, and it's very important for us to understand what's happening, because the S&P 500 is basically the US economy, and it is starting to recover a bit. But the last couple of days, we've seen a pretty nasty correction, and if the S&P 500 continues to go down, which it might not, if the S&P 500 can actually continue going up, this is most likely going to have a very strong correlation and impact on the crypto market. So we will be watching this very, very closely. And what determines the trajectory of the stock market is actually the US dollar index, which is called the DXY, which is in a very violent downtrend. We've tried bouncing up the last couple of days just a little bit, but we do have a lot more room to go before we can actually call the US dollar recovering. If this thing continues its downtrend, which is most likely because the trend is our friend, and to the end we are in a downtrend, this thing should bring cryptocurrencies up and the stock market. Taking a look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is stuck at $17,000. Cryptos follow Bitcoin. Bitcoin leads the whole crypto market. Depending on what Bitcoin does, the altcoins will pump or they will dump. Bitcoin is still holding up strong. If we go over to Dogecoin, Dogecoin is still holding up strong, just about 10 cents. We have Shiba Inu looking very, very bullish. We got that breakout, like we made a video a couple of days ago. I highly recommend you watch my previous videos. I told you all Shiba Inu is setting up for a breakout. We got that big breakout just like I predicted. And these types of predictions I'm giving out in the Patreon, where I tell you guys, hey, I'm buying right here. Based on this setup, it's gonna blast. And that's what happened. And that's what happens every single week. So the overall cryptocurrency market is still slowly recovering, but the last couple of days, just remember, we've been pumping for a past week and change since last week. When there is a lot of green, there will always be pullbacks and corrections because people have to take profits. The market has to rebalance itself before it begins to go back up. And that's what's happening right now. So make sure you join the Patreon to get those buy alerts. And also make sure you are trading over on Bybit, where you can claim your $30,000 deposit bonus for free. It's the best trading platform out there, the cheapest fees and the most secure. It is the #1 trading platform in the world for crypto traders. All you have to do is open up an account using the link in my video description and deposit cryptocurrency over there for the first time. If you're in the US, you will need to use a VPN. I recommend putting your country in Spain. And also, ladies and gentlemen, I have a crypto mentoring program for 1 whole year where I'm teaching people how to become successful day traders or long traders, swing traders in the market. If you're interested in this, apply with the link in my video description. If you got something out of this video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos, and also let me know your thoughts about this video in the comments below and check out my latest videos.